The human body has both endocrine and exocrine glands. However, it also has a few glands that are both endocrine and exocrine. Such glands are called heterocrine or composite glands. For example, the pancreas, testes, and ovaries. The pancreas is an elongated yellow-colored gland located in the loop of the duodenum. The endocrine part of the pancreas is formed of about 1 or 2 million epithelial cell groups called the islets of Langerhans. As the name suggests, it was discovered by Langerhans in 1869. The islet of Langerhans comprises different types of cells that secrete hormones. They are alpha cells or oxyphils, beta cells, delta cells, and F cells. Alpha cells secrete the hormone glucagon, while the beta cells secrete insulin hormone. Delta cells secrete the hormone somatostatin, whereas F cells secrete the pancreatic polypeptide hormone. Glucagon secreted by the alpha cells is a peptide hormone as well as a hyperglycemic or diabetogenic hormone. Its target organs are the hepatocytes, that is, the liver cells, and adipose tissue. The secretion of glucagon by the alpha cells is stimulated by low blood glucose levels. The glucose level in the blood is increased by glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis, as well as by inhibiting the conversion of glucose into lactic acid. The breakdown of glycogen into glucose in the liver is known as glycogenolysis, whereas the male and female primary sex organs, the testes and ovaries, are other examples of heterocrine glands. They are also known as the gonads. The exocrine part of these gonads produces gametes, while the endocrine part secretes hormones. A pair of testes is present in the scrotal sac of males. It is formed of interstitial cells or Leydig cells that lie between sperm-producing seminiferous tubules. The interstitial cell-stimulating hormone, or ICSH, of the anterior pituitary stimulates the testis to secrete androgens, the male sex hormones. There are 4 main types of androgens: testosterone, androsterone, epiandrosterone, and dehydroepiandrosterone. Of these, testosterone is the main androgen and is a steroid hormone. It controls the growth and development of the male secondary sex organs such as the epididymis, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicles, urethra, and penis. Apart from the development of secondary sexual characteristics such as a beard, mustaches, deepening of the voice, broadening of the shoulders, increased height and aggressiveness, testosterone also stimulates spermatogenesis, that is, the formation of spermatozoa. Moreover, it acts on the central nervous system to influence male sexual behavior or libido, and also produces anabolic effects on protein and carbohydrate metabolism. Like males, females also have a pair of gonads called ovaries that serve as both primary sex organs and endocrine glands. The ovaries are located in the abdomen. Each ovary is composed of ovarian follicles and stromal tissues. Each ovary secretes two types of steroid hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is produced and secreted by growing ovarian follicles and has several important functions. For example, it stimulates the growth and functioning of the female secondary sex organs such as the fallopian tubes, uterus, vagina, etc. Each ovary also produces one ovum during each menstrual cycle. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle converts into a yellow-colored structure called the corpus luteum, which secretes the hormone progesterone. Progesterone secretion is stimulated by the luteinizing hormone of the anterior pituitary gland. Progesterone is also known as the pregnancy hormone. It stimulates the proliferation of the endometrium of the uterus and prepares it for implantation. Moreover, it helps in placenta formation and the development of the fetus in the uterus. Progesterone also acts on the mammary glands and stimulates the formation of alveoli, which store milk. Hence, all three heterocrine glands, the pancreas, testes, and ovaries, secrete hormones significant for the human body.